Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a professional logo in PicsArt. I know I've done a video like this before, but I just wanted to do like an updated video. So I'm just going to show you guys how I achieved this look. So in the beginning, I'm just going to talk about, the basic steps that I take. And then at the end, I'm just going to just fast forward and just play some music through it. So that noise in the background is the yard, so excuse that noise. So yeah. So the app that I am using is PicsArt, like I said before. So again, right now I'm just showing you the different ways you can blend it. So I'm just going to start over from the beginning. In this video, I am going to just use a black background, and then at the end, I'm going to do the same thing with a white background. So you want to go to the App Store, or you want to download PicsArt. It is a very easy app to use. It is completely free. You can use the gold plan, which is like I think it's like $3 a month for students, I want to say. I'm not sure what the regular price is. Again, excuse the yard noise in the background. So as you can see, I opened up PicsArt and I scrolled down and chose a black background. So I'm just going to type in my business name, which is Marisa Cosmetics. So I'm just going to select the text tool at the bottom. I'm going to type out my name, and now I'm just going to go through some fonts so you guys can get an idea of what kind of fonts they have. So yeah, I'm just going to choose a font that I like. This can take a while because see, I'm very picky. I have to look at every single font to see which one I like best, and then you have to think about how you want to place it. Do you want the letters to be spaced out or not? Things like that, which can take time because I am very hard to please. So I'm just playing around with the spacing of the letters, as you can see, and then I go in am I gonna change the color? No, I think I'm gonna leave it as white, but I'm gonna play with it so you guys can see. So as you can see, I'm still just playing around with placement. It can take a while, but eventually I get happy with it or whatever, and then I go on with the next step. So after that, I chose sticker at the bottom and I typed in watercolor. So I'm just going to scroll down and choose something completely random, and I'm just going to make it big and choose blend and just kind of go over the different blend options. So as you can see, it's kind of hard to choose which one I like because I like multiple. So I'm just playing around with it and showing you guys something that I came up with. So then I went back to sticker and I typed in like a spark, and I just chose a random spark that I liked and just put it in there. And then I went back and typed in crown. So I'm just looking for something I think would be cute. But then again, placing is kind of hard for me. So I was like, oh, that's ugly. So I'm just going to take that out. So now I'm adding a shadow. Just want to go over to shadow at the bottom. Choose the color of the shadow and play around with the spacing and the position of the shadow. The shadow doesn't have to be white. It can be any color you want. I just chose white. So I went back to the same watercolor. I'm showing you guys the difference when you add a shadow. It looks more 3D. So I thought that was cute. And so now I'm just pretty much going to fast forward and show you guys all the different things that I've done so you guys can get a feel of what kind of professional logos you can make using PicsArt.